efficient MediaTek 9000 processor. It's a significant upgrade over its predecessor in terms of performance or gaming at high settings. This chipset does it all with ease and without any lag. It empowers you to game better. Image enhancement sensors transform your overall photography experience, and it also enhances by offering better low-light images and colorful nightscape shots. The Nord 3 camera setup is truly impressive, featuring a 50-megapixel IMX890 flagship main camera and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide front camera. The quality of the images you'll capture is truly remarkable. The Turbo Raw Night feature ensures exceptional image quality in low-light environment. And when it comes to video recording, the OnePlus Nord 3 allows you to capture high-quality 4K videos at 60 frames per second. This is definitely one of the best camera sets, 8GB and a massive 16GB option. Experience heavy applications at the same time. The lag-free performance ensures a smooth experience, which might be. Moving on, the OnePlus Nord 3 supports Oxygen OS 13.1, which introduces new features and guarantees a fast and hassle-free experience. Customization and effortless usability is its 80-watt super whoop charging. Say goodbye to low battery anxiety while enjoying your favorite games or OTT content. With a 5000 mAh battery, get the power to stay charged up throughout the day. The OnePlus Nord 3 truly impresses with its 6.72-inch AMOLED display, offering an exceptional 1.5K resolution. Favorite content with this display. The visuals are vibrant, and the 120Hz refresh rate takes your browsing and gaming experience to the next level. To sum it up,